Let's talk about a tool that is totally a game changer in Photoshop, and that's Camera Raw Filter. This is one of my interior renders, and this is how I'm changing the lighting and quality of this render, only by using Camera Raw Filter. First of all, I'm creating a copy of my background by using Ctrl J. Then I click on Filter, and then I click on Camera Raw Filter. I'm clicking on Basic panel. I'm decreasing the temperature, increasing exposure, and on this part, I'm increasing texture amount, clarity amount, and the haze amount. Then I click on calibration, and I'm decreasing the saturation of the red. And then I click OK. Let's see how it looks. To complete my interior edit, I want to add some IES lights on the wall of my kitchen. I'm choosing this light, I put it here, and then I change its blending mode to linear dodge. And then I'm creating a duplicate of this light and put the blending mode on color dodge, and then I'm decreasing the opacity. Now I'm creating a copy of these two layers and put them here. I'm creating a group of these lights and name it IES. Then I'm adding a vector mask to this group and I'm using my brush to remove the extra parts of these lights. For the last part, I'm adding these light flares to my ceiling lights. After that, I'm merging these layers. I'm going to Filter, click on Blur, and then Gaussian Blur. Okay, that's it, we're done. If you like this video, please hit subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will be back with more videos like this. Have a great day.